And first, I wanted to thank the first banker who said yes 3 years ago when I was organizing the first edition of Paris Fintech Forum, Mr. François Pérol, CEO of BPCE Group. You can applaud him. Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, everybody. Hi.
Because just for you to know,
Hope
today...
you're fine. I hope Stéphane did not talk too much about banking.
He can come back, be careful, he's just here. Just for you to know, today it's quite easy to have a banker on stage, but 3 years ago, I was like giving calls every 5 minutes to every bank in Europe, and nobody answered. The only guy who answered first time in November 2015, 15 minutes after my email, was François. And you always have in life to remember who helped you the first time. And I would never have done that if the first big banker didn't say yes. So thank you again, François.
Thanks. Thank you for inviting me again.
Oh, we'll see this morning if they want you again next year, okay? So we'll do a test just after that. So, first question. You were there, so I just said it, 28th of January 2016. And at this time, I remember in our first interview, you told us, yeah, fintech is really beginning and so on, and I'm sure it will be a trend. But at this time, you were not so many to say that, and it was again the time where fintech were fighting with banks, we will kill the banks, blah, 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 blah. And the banks were just looking at how to discuss with these new guys. What is your vision 2 years and a half later of what happened in the fintech industry and working with BPCE Group?
Wow. I think things are moving faster and faster. We now have numerous discussions with a large number of people, large number of fintechs, and these guys are basically our partners, or they are our competitors, obviously, which is good. They keep us alive, which is much better. And we are really, we have a huge range of discussions with them. So 3 years later, I would say this is a totally different landscape. Just to give you an example, we will announce today, because this is Paris Fintech Forum, so we waited for today.
Thank you.
We just announced today, and I'm very proud and very happy to say this, that we just signed a partnership with Meniga. Meniga is maybe known from a few people in the room. It's a very successful company. Based in Reykjavik, actually, and London, and Stockholm, and Warsaw, and other places. And it's basically a company which is doing white label solutions for personal finance management. So we signed a partnership with them, which basically is we will use Meniga solutions for all our active customers in France, for Banque Populaire and Caisse d'Épargne, which is roughly 15 million active customers that will use their solutions in terms of personal finance management. So this is account aggregation, obviously. This is transaction categorization. This is insights on revenues, on expenses. This is notification of important financial events. This is everything which will make the life of our customers a little bit better, and will be able to serve our customers better thanks to their solutions. So we didn't decide to buy Meniga. We didn't decide to acquire the company.